Salon blowouts can easily cost $75 or more, and they don't last forever. So I wanted to test something different. Today I'm reviewing the T3 Aire 360 multi-styler and blowout system to see if it can realistically replace a professional blowout at home, or if it's just another expensive styling tool. Welcome back to Lovely Living, where we look at everyday upgrades that make life feel more polished, more efficient, and more intentional. This is an independent, unsponsored review focused on performance, usability, and value. What the T3 Aire 360 claims to do. The T3 Aire 360 is marketed as an all-in-one blowout system designed to dry, smooth, and style hair using airflow and interchangeable attachments. The goal is simple: salon-level results at home with less heat damage and less time. Unboxing plus what's included. Inside the luxe carrying case, you get the Aire 360 base unit, multiple styling attachments for volume, smoothing, and shaping, and a structured case designed for storage and travel. From a build perspective, everything feels sturdy, streamlined, and intentionally designed. Nothing feels flimsy or overcomplicated. How it works. Simple breakdown. The system combines controlled airflow with heat, allowing hair to wrap and shape around the attachments without extreme temperatures. This matters because traditional blowouts often rely on high heat and tension, which can increase breakage over time. The Aire 360 is designed to reduce that stress while still delivering polish. Real-world results. What I noticed. Here's what stood out during testing. Styling time was noticeably faster than using a standard blow dryer and round brush. Hair looked smoother and more controlled, especially around the face. Volume was soft and natural, not stiff or overstyled. It didn't feel like I was fighting the tool. It felt intuitive, even on the first use. Pros. Saves time compared to traditional blowouts. Produces a polished, camera-ready finish. Attachments are easy to switch and store. Results are consistent once you learn the system. Cons. Higher upfront cost. There is a short learning curve. May not fully replace a stylist for very textured or specialty styles. Who this is for and who should skip. This is ideal for anyone who styles their hair regularly, people who film content or need consistent, polished results. Those trying to reduce salon visits. You may want to skip it if you rarely style your hair, you prefer very intricate salon techniques, or you're happy with a basic blow dryer setup. So, is the T3 Aire 360 better than a salon blowout? In terms of convenience, consistency, and cost over time, it absolutely can be. It doesn't replace a stylist, but it does replace frequent appointments, and that's where its real value shows. If you enjoy thoughtful reviews like this, consider subscribing to Lovely Living. More elevated, practical upgrades coming soon.